Police in Ajimani district have arrested 5 suspects following renewed clashes between the Acholi and Mari communities that left 3 people dead and several others injured. Authorities say the arrests were made after a security operation in affected villages where officers also recovered bows and arrows believed to have been used during the violence. According to preliminary reports, the clashes erupted over long-standing tensions linked to the disputed Apaa land. Residents from both sides accuse each other of encroachment and destruction of property, further escalating an already fragile situation. Police confirmed that investigations are ongoing and that more arrests could follow as they work to restore calm. Security officials noted that joint patrols have been intensified in the area with support from the Uganda Police Force and the Uganda People's Defense Force to prevent further violence. Community leaders have also been urged to engage in dialogue and discourage retaliatory attacks.
The attackers targeted members of the Madi community, resulting into the death of 3 individuals and injuring 2 others. The bodies were transferred to Ajimani General Hospital for post-mortem examination.
5 suspects have since been arrested after they were found in possession of bows and arrows believed to have been used during the violence.
But nonetheless, we also want to send a very strong message that we are investigating that matter, and the persons who were involved or who will be found to be involved, we certainly shall take them on.
The conflict over power has persisted for years, drawing national tension and concern. Before his passing, former Speaker of Parliament Jacob Olanya reportedly highlighted the root cause of the dispute, attributing it to the gazettemen of the area into the East Madi Game Reserve, which he says is regrettable. He argued that this decision created overlapping claims between the Acholi of Amor district and the Madi of Ajimani, fueling cycles of conflict.
There is no pretending about the effect of this thing. There's no pretending about that. Nobody should. It's a problem. People are not going to school and their future depends on that. And there should be intervention. But the overall thing is to find a solution to this problem, a lasting solution. That debate, when they talk about East Madi Wildlife Reserve, I was in Parliament. It was moved by the Honorable Jovina Kake as Minister of State for Tourism. I was there. But we said, well, East Madi, fine. Let's pass it. We passed it. We didn't know exactly what the problem was on the ground. But people were in the camps.
Critics say it is unfortunate that despite years of interventions, the government has yet to find a lasting solution to the Apaa land question. Some residents express frustration, questioning why recurring violence continues despite presence of security forces. They argue that while deployments of the Uganda People's Defense Force has helped contain immediate outbreaks, they have not addressed the underlying land ownership dispute. Local leaders are now calling for a comprehensive and permanent resolution, including clear boundary demarcation and inclusive consultations with affected communities. As tensions remain high, authorities have appealed for calm and warned that anyone found inciting violence will face the full force of the law. The latest incident underscores the urgency of resolving the Apaa land conflict, which continues to threaten livelihoods and stability in northern Uganda.
It's fine. It's fine. How do you cook the beans? With the vegetable inside? Yeah, dodo. Yeah. Where do they dodo? We're planted it there. Where? In the small area. Very nice.
Actually, it's nice. The casa was very nice. But I'm not going to try the beach. What's your name? This one.
No. Every day you spend one is a lot, but it's not a lot. Every day, stomach must mind.
I know. So, do you give other people?
Yeah, when you come to ask, I tell you.
So, now you want the saka.
Why not?
Okay, do you have people who come and you give them food?
People? No one come and ask me about your food. But they just come and put us in human being.
You forgot this one.
Speed meter.
This call it speed meter. That one was 14.
The other one is 14.
This is speed meter. It's a funny guy, eh? You want to see speed meter? Don't it's speed meter. We are all one.